Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add live chat on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to choose a live chat service. So there are several live chat services available for integration with Shopify. Some popular options include LiveChat, Tidio, Lark, and Zendesk Chat. Choose a service that suits your needs in terms of features, pricing, and ease of integration. Now sign up for the live chat service. Create an account with the live chat service of your choice. Visit their website and follow the registration process. You may need to provide some basic information about your store. Now install the live chat app. So once you have signed up for the live chat service, navigate to the Shopify App Store, search for the app corresponding to your chosen live chat service. Install and activate the app on your Shopify store. Now configure the live chat settings. So open the installed live chat app from your Shopify admin panel. Follow the provided instructions to configure the chat settings. This includes options like customizing the chat widget appearance, setting up automated messages, and defining chat routing rules. Now customize chat widget and messages. So customize the chat widget's appearance to match your store's branding. Add any desired greetings or messages that will be displayed to visitors when they initiate a chat. Now test the live chat. Visit your Shopify store as a customer and test the live chat functionality. Ensure that the chat widget appears correctly and that you receive notifications when customers start a chat. Now train your support team. So if you have a support team managing the live chat, provide them with proper training on how to use live chat software effectively. Teach them how to handle customers' inquiries, resolve issues, and provide excellent customer service through the live chat channel. So remember to regularly monitor and respond to incoming chats promptly to provide a positive customer experience. Adjust your live chat settings and strategies based on customer feedback and performance metrics to continuously improve your customer support efforts. So the exact steps may vary depending on the live chat service you choose, as each service may have its own specific setup process and features. So it is recommended to refer to the documentation or support resources provided by your chosen live chat service for detailed instructions tailored to their platform. And that is how you add live chat to your Shopify store. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.